What I got in front of me here is the Gen 2 Milwaukee Tools high torque impact. Well, now it's been upgraded, new and improved. So I went to the Milwaukee Tools Pipeline event where they unveil all their new tools for the up and coming year. And one of the highlights there of the show was the brand new Gen 3 Milwaukee Tools high torque impact. So we're going to go over to the show and check that out.
And driving productivity, and that's what the team is done here. Tony's going to walk you through that later on today.
So the Gen 2 came out nearly 6 years ago, and it's about time they come up with an update. So this has been redesigned from the ground up, including the electronics in the handles here, the motors, the batteries, everything has been upgraded. You'll see that here in a second.
That's pretty cool because that makes more sense to put it in the handle versus the just for heat.
Guys, to our new Gen 3 M18 FUEL half-inch high torque impact. Now to kick things off here, I want to give you guys an overview of what we've done gen over gen to truly raise that bar once again. If you look at what we had launched in 2017, that was a solution that was able to finally completely replace corded and pneumatic solutions on the job site and in the shop. The feedback that we've gotten from you guys working with you on the shop site over the past 6 years gave us the confidence to formulate a ground-up redesign to provide you another best-in-class solution. So if we take a look at our Gen 3 tool, you'll see a couple different things that we did from a design aspect that allow us to deliver on one of the most powerful tools in the industry, the most compact and the fastest tool, along with being one of the most durable. For starters, you'll see here that we have a more power-dense motor. We're actually able to pack over 20% more copper into this motor, allowing us to maximize power and performance. Not only because of its more power dense, that stack length was decreased, which allowed us to have length savings as well in the tool. You'll also see we took the electronics and put them in the handle. So these grip electronics that are potted, this new electronics package is more thermally robust, which allows us to maximize power and performance of the tool as well in combination with that motor. And then as well as for moving the electronics from the base of the tool into the grip, it allows us to add an incremental length savings as well. Awesome. You also see we added a battery isolator here. This isolation system secures battery connection and controls vibration transmitted to the pack. So you're no longer needing to hold the battery or tape the battery, put a boot on there after prolonged usage over time with this tool. The last thing, one of the other key features here, as we packed more performance and power into this tool, we actually have a proprietary anvil material and manufacturing process that ensures that this tool, that we're not going to shear anvils, whether it be 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 months, a year into the life of the tool. Whereas some of our competitors are not addressing that anvil material chain accompanied with the power and performance increase.
Awesome. What's the power difference between last year's model and today's model?
Yeah, so our Gen 3 is going to be 1,200 foot-pounds of fastening and 1,600 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque when paired with our forge pack.
So the high power numbers are referring to the new battery packs coming out next year called the Forge. There'll be more about this in the future videos, so stay tuned for that.
If you pair it with our XC50, it'll be 1,100 fastening and 1,500 nut-busting, whereas our previous generation was 1,000 fastening and 1,400 foot-pounds nut-busting.
Nice. Very cool.
So the new high torque also is a little bit lighter than the previous model, the Gen 2. One of my favorite features is the updated LED lights they got on the nose here. 3 lights. The previous model only had 1 by the trigger, so making it much nicer to light up your work area. And with a side-by-side comparison, you can see the tool is even shorter than the previous model. And there you have it, guys. It's smaller, it's lighter, it's faster, and it's more powerful with 1,600 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. This is going to be a beast, and I cannot wait to put it to work in the real shop environment and use it on cars on a day-to-day basis. I'm Brian Nestor from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching.